Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to connect data using Amazon Relational Database Service data connectors in Bold reports. I will show you how to connect and retrieve data from a data source using an Amazon RDS data connector, and how to integrate the retrieved data into a table report item. First, let me create a new report. I create a new report, and name it Amazon RDS Data Report. You can see how to create your first report in another video. I have provided a link to it in this video's description. Next, create a data source using the Amazon RDS data connector. I click the data icon in the configuration panel. Then, click the New Data button. In the Data Sources configuration panel, I choose the Amazon RDS connection type. In the Name field, enter the data source name, employee details. The Database Engine field selects a database engine to be used with the given Amazon RDS server, from the Database Engine drop-down. Bold Reports Report Designer supports 7 database engines for Amazon RDS, MySQL, MariaDB, Amazon Aurora MySQL, PostgreSQL, Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and Oracle. By default, MySQL is selected. I change it to Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL. Fields to connect Amazon RDS to the database, using Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL will be displayed. Based on the selected database engine, fields will vary. In the server name field, I enter the field value. The port field specifies the port number, to access the Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL remote server. By default, the port number is 5432. In the username field, I enter the username. I enter the password in the password field. I enable the Save Password option to embed the credentials within the report. I click the drop-down icon in the Database field, to select a database. And select Northwind Database from the list of databases displayed in the drop-down. To connect the data source with the connection string, click Advanced Options. Fields related to the selected database engine is displayed in the panel. Here, I select Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL. And related fields are displayed. The Name field, Username, Password field, and Save Password options are auto-filled from the basic options. Enter the connection string in the appropriate field. Here, see the connection string value filled from the basic pane. Connection strings are text representations of connection properties for a data provider. Next, I select the type of authentication to authenticate the Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Database Engine remote server. Authentication is selected, by default as the authentication type, and you will be asked to enter a username and password. The prompt authentication type shows a prompt that allows the user to enter the username and password while previewing. The none authentication type is used when the authentication details are provided in the connection string. Now, let me connect to the database and create a dataset. In the Basic Option pane, I click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. It contains a schema area, Query Designer surface, toolbar, and preview area. The Query Designer surface is where queries are set up. It contains both graphical and text-based modes to create SQL queries easily. I change the name field value to Employee Dataset. For this demo, I'm going to add an employees table. I expand the public from the schema area. And then expand the tables. I drag the employees from the schema area to the Query Designer. And click Generate Preview. The preview of the employees table is displayed. Click the Finish button. And the data set will be created. Expand the data set to see the fields present in it. Now, I'll add a table and assign values to it. Drag a table from the item panel to the design area. Add the necessary columns. I assign a value to the header row. And format it. Then assign values to the data row. And format them. When I click the Preview button in the top panel, you will see the values retrieved from the database, and displayed in the table. In this video, I have shown you how to create a data source using the Amazon RDS data connector, and how to add the retrieved data to a table report item in Bold Reports. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.